Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Wavlink WL WN518W2 N300 extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the Wavlink extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, take your Wavlink WL WN518W2 N300 extender out of the box. Plug it into a power socket near your main Wi-Fi router, within 5 to 10 feet for the setup. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED on the extender turns solid, usually green or blue. Find the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. It's usually labeled WPS or has a 2-arrow icon forming a circle. Make sure your router is powered on and the internet connection is active. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for about 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS indicator light on your router will start blinking, showing it's ready to connect to a new device. Within 2 minutes of pressing WPS on the router, go to your Wavlink WL WN518W2 extender. Press and hold the WPS button on the extender for about 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED on the extender will start flashing, meaning it's connecting to the router. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds. Once the connection is successful, the signal/link LED on the extender will turn solid, green, blue, or white depending on your model. This means the extender has successfully connected to your main Wi-Fi router. Now unplug the extender and move it halfway between your router and the Wi-Fi dead zone, the area with weak signal. That's it. Your Wavlink WL WN518W2 N300 extender is now successfully connected and ready to boost your Wi-Fi coverage. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.